Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crypto airdrops. This is a hot topic in the crypto community for 2024, and we'll explore what airdrops are, some of the most anticipated ones, and how you can increase your chances of participating in these lucrative opportunities. Crypto airdrops are essentially free distributions of cryptocurrency tokens or coins to wallet addresses. But more importantly, they're your gateway to the evolving blockchain world. They're often used by blockchain projects to promote their new tokens, increase engagement, or reward loyal community members. Imagine them as exclusive invitations from innovative blockchain projects that aim to amplify their presence, engage with a passionate community, and reward you for your participation. It's more than a giveaway, it's a chance to be part of something groundbreaking. Now let's dive into the most anticipated airdrops this year, each packed with profit potential. Follow the links in the video description for each of the airdrops discussed. Tyco is a zk-rollup offering Ethereum compatibility with a potential airdrop of the Tyco token, TKO. Participation in their testnet activities could increase your eligibility for the airdrop. We'll discuss its unique edge in an upcoming video. Eigenlayer is a middleware on Ethereum, which might introduce its own token to improve scalability and security. Interacting by staking RETH or STETH on Eigenlayer could be beneficial. Stay tuned for our deep dive into its mechanics. MetaMask is one of the most popular crypto wallets, rumored to be preparing for a token release. Using its built-in features could enhance your chances for its airdrop. We'll explore its potential airdrop in detail soon. Layer 0 and ZK era aren't just buzzwords, they're your chance at crypto gold. Both are expected to have high-value airdrops. We'll unveil their secrets in our airdrop series. There are also a number of potentially lucrative crypto airdrops that require very little effort to receive free cryptocurrency with potential for future profits in what is expected to be an explosive crypto bull run over the next 2 years. Remember, each of these airdrops will be explored in depth in our forthcoming videos. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss these potential gold mines. Now, to make some free money in this trending space, be sure to elevate your airdrop game by completing a number of steps in the crypto ecosystems to ensure you maximize your chances. Immerse yourself in the crypto cosmos and participate actively in the crypto community. Join and engage with various testnets and beta versions of projects. Stay informed about project developments and announcements. Use the services and products of projects that are likely to conduct airdrops. Note that our channel will be releasing detailed information for each of the crypto airdrops reviewed in this video, and many more upcoming opportunities for you to get involved. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about each of these airdrops and how you can be a part of them. Also remember to always do your own research and understand the risks before participating in any airdrop.